Hi, my name is Lisette Guerrero, and today is February 5th, 2018. Today we're going to be talking about the types of bones found in the human body. Our book mentions 5 different types of bones, but we're going to speak mostly about 4 of them. Reason why we're speaking mostly about 4 of them and not 5 of them is because the 5th bone type is the sesamoid bone, and the only bone that's actually the same in all of us humans, like in a standard skeleton, is the patella. The patella is the knee bone. So here's my skeleton. So the patella is this little part right here in the middle. This one, it's small and it's round. It's the only one in the human body that looks like that, and it's the only one in all of the humans that's kind of like standard. The other 4 parts of the bone, the other 4 types of bones are the flat bones, the long bones, the short bones, the irregular bone, so forth. As far as the flat bones, we usually find the flat bones, we can find them like in the cranium, like on the skull. So they say flat bone, and we tend to think it's just like flat, you know. So the cranium, all of these bones that are connected by little sutures, these are flat bones because if they were not curved, they'd only be, flat. So in this case, they're curved, but they're still flat. They're not like, wide and, like how all the other bones might be. Another example of a flat bone can be like the ribs. These are flat bones. And also the sternum is a flat bone. The flat bone usually will protect internal organs such as, the cranium. The skull bones will help protect the brain. And then the rib bones and the sternum protect like the heart and the lungs. Then we have the long bones. So the long bones can be the humerus. These are long. And then also another long bone can be the femur. And these are both long bones. What they help with is they work as kind of like levers, so they move whenever the muscles contract. So this is where, you would see the whole flexion and the extension, and the way that they move is with the help of those muscles. And obviously the muscles wouldn't be there if we didn't have the bone. The irregular bones would be like the vertebrae. So these bones, they're like they're no like specific shape. They're, some of them are different than others, but what happens with these is that they help us protect our spine, the spinal cord, from any damage, and then along with the little discs that they have in between. So that's an irregular bone. Another irregular set of bones would be like the facial bones. So like the maxilla would be an irregular bone, because it doesn't really have like a square shape or a round shape. It's just kind of, it goes all the way from up here down this way like that. And it helps hold up the top teeth inside of the bone. We also have the short bones. So the short bones are located in the carpals. So the carpals are right along this area right here. And then they're also located in the tarsals. So the tarsals are right here. And these help with some movement, and then they also help with stability and with support. So that's it. We have our 5 different types of bones in our body. However, mostly we are composed of the 4 different types, with that exception of the patella. Thank you so much for your time.